Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk to you about this hair that I recently purchased from this company called Nadula. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. So it's winter time and I've been wanting a protective style. I've been keeping my hair protected and I wanted to make a unit, but this hair is affordable, trust me. I did my research and luckily I found Nadula Hair and turns out I really love it. The hair is great and this is it in its natural state. It's been washed about 2 or 3 times already. I've had this hair in for almost a month now and I love it. I use 4 bundles, but you probably honestly don't even need that many. I just wanted it to be thick and I still had hair left over, so I purchased a 16-inch closure, 18, 20, 22, and 24-inch bundles for $175. It shipped pretty quickly and this is the box. It says Nadula 100% virgin hair on it, and on the back it tells you about the company and it gives you tips on how to care for the hair. So packaging is really nice. So off the bat I was like, okay, so this company really cares about presentation, which is important, so that's always a good sign. So each bundle came individually wrapped in one of these plastic things and it tells you how many inches the hair was on the bottom, so that was convenient. They give you some eyelashes, which I probably won't be using, but it's a nice gesture. Straight off the bat, as you can see, I'm going to insert a clip that the hair, before I even washed it or anything, it was so silky and soft, and it still is like really soft now. The quality of the hair is amazing. Oh, I guess you guys would like to know what hair I actually ordered. I ordered the Brazilian body wave. Like I said, it has been washed. I haven't straightened it or anything. This is it in its natural state. It's not bone straight. It has some type of body to it, which I like. I'm tall, so I'm like 5'6", 5'7", something like that. So 24 inches comes about, I guess, down to my belly button basically, which I wasn't expecting, to be honest. Like, I didn't realize that the hair was going to be this long on me. So customer service, 5 stars. The person that I was in contact with the most, his name was John. He answered all my questions that I had, any concerns that I may have had. He answered them and they answered right away. They were polite and they made sure that you got what you wanted, and I appreciate that. So the only complaint that I have about the hair is that it does have a smell. I shampooed and conditioned it and then I had to do it again because I still smelled the smell. The second time around I co-washed it and let the conditioner sit in it for like 2 days. No lie, in a plastic bag, wet, with conditioner in it, and it doesn't smell like that anymore. It's still soft, it's still silky. I have very little to no shedding at all. It doesn't tangle, and I don't know what else I can say about this hair. So if you guys have any questions regarding the hair or anything like that, just leave them in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer them. I'll leave a link to the company, to the type of hair that I got. Everything will be in the description bar, so make sure you check that first. So if you like these type of videos, make sure to give this a thumbs up because I appreciate it and it shows me what you guys actually want to see. So be sure to do that, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Irene. If I sound weird, it's because I'm trying to get over a cold and I sound nasally, so I'm sorry. I'm trying to get over a cold. But today I'm going to talk to you guys about this Nadula hair that I've had for a year. I can't remember the exact date that I got it, but I'm pretty sure it was around this time last year. And I wanted to let you guys know how it held up. So if you're interested in seeing that, then keep on watching. So I wouldn't say that this hair sheds a lot at all. It only really sheds when I give it a good brushing at the end of the day, but it doesn't shed when I like run my fingers through it or like pull it. Oh, I got one hair that time, but it doesn't shed a lot at all. It doesn't really tangle up. Like I said, at the end of the day, after I've been wearing it for hours, it might tangle up like back here because it's against my neck and it's hot, and that's really only where it tangles up. But once I give it a good brushing, it's really fine. It's not that serious, and it's still really thick. Like, granted, I got 4 bundles when I got this hair, but that's why I'm saying it hasn't shed, because it's still as thick as it was when I first made the wig. I have straightened it a couple times. I made a video on that. I straightened it and it looked really good. It looked nice and silky. I did that a couple times to the hair.
But I noticed like the last couple times like it started to look dry at the ends. So I pretty much wear it in its natural wavy state. Like I get some mousse and I like scrunch it up because I like the wet and wavy look now. It just looks more healthy and shiny when I wear it that way as opposed to straightening it. So all I really do is when it needs to be washed, I co-wash it. I leave the conditioner in it and I put it in a bag and let it sit for a couple hours, and then I rinse it out. Let it dry on my mannequin head, and then before it gets completely dry I like to put a little argan oil in my hands and just like run it through the hair, and I think that's what's kept it so good and manageable and soft this entire time. Oh yeah, and when I'm not wearing it I braid it up. Like I split it in half. I split it in half and then I braid each half like little pigtails, and then I'd put it in a bag and then I just leave it, and when I'm ready to wear it again it's fine. So yeah, this hair is really good quality. I would recommend it to anybody who's looking for good hair that's affordable and good quality. I really don't have any complaints about this hair, to be honest. It's been really good to me, and I feel like I could reuse this hair again. Like I want to take the hair off of this dome cap and put it on a mesh cap so I can make a new wig and reuse it. Like it's still bomb. Like I love it. I'm not going to say that it's as soft and as silky as it was when I first took it out of the package. Like it's definitely not, but it's really not that far from what it was. It's still really good. It still looks good. Yeah. Oh, and if you want to see like a full review of when I first got this hair, I would link that on the screen. I got the Brazilian body wave, I think. I hope I answered any of you guys' questions. If you have any more questions that I haven't answered in this video, feel free to leave them in the description bar. I always answer you guys' comments. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!